Hi there. Today, we are going to understand. First, what is the rising window candlestick pattern? Second, how a rising window pattern works. And last, how can you identify the rising window candlestick pattern in the price chart? Let's get started. What is the rising window candlestick pattern? Rising window name is deriving from the windows because the gap between two candles looks very similar to window. How a rising window pattern works? Rising window is predicting continuation of uptrends, means if market is uptrend and rising window pattern is made, then market will go up. It made up of two candle. The first candle should be the long bullish candlestick pattern with green color, and the second candle is also long bullish candle with green color. Now here understand this very carefully, that the second candle should be open with full gap up, like you can see in the video. How can you identify the rising window pattern in the price chart? To identify this pattern in the price chart, I have just opened the Tata Motors stocks price chart. As you can see, the rising window pattern was made in the chart with all the major applied rules, so the market would go up, and it does. Conclusion. In a simple way, according to many technical analysts and marketers, if a rising window pattern is made, then it's a signal that the market will go up. If you want to get notified about major candlestick pattern, then download the app now.